Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can insert multiple rows or column in Google Docs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Docs, and as you can see, I have added a table in this Google Docs. And for example, I'm going to show you how we can insert rows or column to this table. First of all, I'm going to show you how we can add multiple rows. I'm going to select multiple rows like this, and then we can right click on it and simply click on insert row above or insert row below. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can insert column. I'm going to select one of the column like this. Wait. Okay, oops, sorry guys. Okay, I'm going to select the column like this, and then I'm going to right click on it and click on insert column left or column right. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to insert multiple rows or column in Google Docs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.